What's going on, my tech friends? This is the One Tech. So today, as you can see on the table, we have a heap of parts. So as you've already heard from, as you've already seen from the title of the video, I am going to be attempting to build a water-cooled PC. I mean, I've never built a PC before in my life. The PC I have down there, my boy helped me build it. One of my friends helped me build it. So yeah, it's going to be my first time. I'm putting myself up for a challenge because I already have a normal PC, but I want to make it water cooled. So yeah, this is all the parts that I've bought for my water cooling build. So yeah, we're gonna go through it. I'm gonna tell you the brands I've chose, why I've chose them, and yeah, and also if you want to see me build a PC, just comment down below, tell me you want to see a video of me actually building the PC up. And yeah, I can't wait, man. Literally can't wait. There's only one part I'm waiting for, which is the case. But yeah, I have everything on the table ready to build the PC. So I'm going to unbox everything and yeah, let's get it. And before I start, I just want to make sure to tell you guys to please subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications on as well so you can see whatever videos that I decide to put up on the channel. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight right into it. So some of the parts have come and I've kind of just built them, like the radiator and the fan, and yeah, just piece everything up together just to basically get it ready and all that stuff. But yeah, this, first of all, the radiator that I have is this. This is the 480 Ml Radiator, so it can fit up to 4 fans. So you've got a 1 there, 2 there, 3 there, and 4 there. So you can fit up to 4 fans on this bad boy. And yeah, the branding is from freeze mod water cooling. So I got this from Amazon for £44. It was up for 74 at first, and then they reduced it, so I had to return the one that I bought and got the cheaper one. But yeah, for some reason they're taking the prices up to bring it down. I don't know what they're doing on there, but yeah, the radiator is from freeze mode, like I said. And then for the fans that I'm rocking, I have these. These are called the Easy DIY. Yeah, DIY Fab. So yeah, this is what I have right now there. This is what, basically that's the design. Also got this from Amazon as well. These were really nice and cheap. I liked the design of them, which I'll be showing you in a second. Really like the design on these, so that's why I bought it. And then it's RGB as well, plus it's ARGB, so you can control this fan with your motherboard as well, using your using a software on the computer. You can actually control these with a software online, I mean on the PC. But yeah, I got 5 of them in this box, so I got 5 pack, and this is what they look like. That's what it looks like. So you got the branding up top in the front there, which looks cool, and then you got the fan that goes around, and then up here the white bit is where the RGB is. So I kind of like the look of the outline of the fan being RGB, and then obviously you got the fan in the middle. But yeah, I like that. And it comes with a head unit as well, where you plug in all the fans and then you plug it into your motherboard. It's got the RGB pin over there, you plug it into your motherboard. But yeah, that's the head unit. And also it comes with a remote as well, so you can manually change the colors on the fans if you want. And yeah, comes with a couple of screws as well, which is quite nice. Yeah, it comes with some screws as well to help you with your build as well, which is pretty damn cool. But yeah, that's the fan. And I put them on my radiator when I got the radiator. I got the radiator and the fan together, so I put them up together to see how they would look and fit. And yeah, this is it. This is the bad boy right here, and it's absolutely huge and humongous. Check that out, bro. Look at that bad boy. So yeah, it's gonna be in the PC. It's gonna light up. All the surroundings are gonna be lighting up. It's gonna be very nice. Look outside, and obviously you got the cables as well with it to plug into the head unit to plug into your motherboard. And then yeah, and then next is my cooling stuff. So you have the so I got my what do you call it, my pump and my reservoir, which is there. This is from the company EK. You got RGB as well, so you got the logo in the middle there as well. That kind of lights up when obviously you got everything all set up and everything. But yeah, it's nice branding from EK over there. Apparently these guys are good at water cooling stuff, so yeah, it's nice. So I got the box here. I actually bought this second hand, but yeah, that's the box over there, the EK. This is the newest EK the newest EK pump and reservoir combo over there. So yeah, moving on. Yeah, it's a very, very nice looking pump. I cannot wait to put this in the PC and fill it up with water. It's gonna be so damn cool. And then we got the box. This box came in today. But yeah, we have a few little things like pipes, fittings, all that stuff. So yeah, we got some pipes. Where here, these are 14 mil diameter on the inside of the tubings. Yeah, 14 mils, but yeah, these are what the pipes look like. Not really. There we go. These are I believe the PVTV, something like that, pipes. So yeah, that's pretty damn cool. And then you got a few things to help you with the pipes, like this cutting tool over here. So this helps you to cut the pipes nicely, which is quite nice. And then you got this little thing over here to pretty much, ooh, wow, nice. So basically what you do, you cut the pipes with the cutting tool, and then you pretty much use this just to round it off like this, so it looks nice and shiny. So you don't actually rip, so there's no sharp edges on it, which means when you put it into the fittings, it's gonna rip the rubber seal in there, so it keeps everything nice and tight and smooth. But yeah, that is that over there. As you can see, it looks so cool. But yeah, I literally cannot wait. Hopefully everything goes well when I build this PC. Hopefully, finger crossed, because it's my first time actually doing it. And then you got the silicone as well that you put inside of the pipes like that to obviously heat the pipe up so you can bend it to whatever shape you want. So yeah, that's a nice thing over there. And the reason for this is so that the pipe doesn't collapse, the tubing doesn't collapse when you obviously do your bend, which is very, very nice and handy. And then we got the block, the CPU block, and this is from Barrow. Apparently they're the second most famous water cooling brand out there, which is pretty damn cool. But yeah, that is it there. That's the branding. That's the box it comes in. It looks pretty damn cool. But yeah, we get to that later on when I finish. And then in here we have some fittings. So we've got some normal fittings, some elf fittings, all that stuff. Yeah, let's open this. I haven't actually seen what this looks like. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. There's a bit of heft to it, man. That's really, really nice. I like that. That's really, really flipping nice. Oh wow, you get extra rubber seals. So you got the seal in the inside of there, in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you got the seal inside, black seal and steel inside, and then you get 2 more extra seals as well if you need it. It's right there. It looks pretty cool. But yeah, that's what's going to go inside the pipe and into the block or the reservoir, which is pretty cool. And then I believe there should be oh wow, there's a lot of fittings in here actually. Could be more than what I actually bought. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's how many I got anyway. So you got 8 of those, which is pretty cool. And then you got the 90-degree fittings as well. Oh wow, this is proper stuff, man. I didn't expect a lot from this company, but wow, this is very, very good. This is actually really, really nice. It's like nice and hefty. It's very, very prestige. It's like good quality stuff right here. Look at that. Look at that beautiful L-shape fitting. Absolutely nice. Look at that. Look at that. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. But yeah, you get 2 of them. You get 2 L-shape 90-degree fittings and 8 of these ones. These came in a pack. So the pipe, the edger, the cutting tool, and the kit and this fittings came in one kind of combo, which was very, very nice. And then last of all, we have this. Woo, it's heavy. We have this. We have the cooling solution. This is from EK as well. EK Color Reef fuel. So this, wow, it's quite cold to the touch. This is solid. This is a premix, and this is the solid cloud white premix. But yeah, I wanted to go for like a nice color. I didn't want to go for like a green or orange or red or anything like that, because I do notice that they do leave the color residue in your components, which I didn't really like. So I thought I'd go with the white. So whenever I clean out the system and re-put the water in the system, then it's going to be very, very nice for me, because then no residue is going to stay, if that makes sense. And even if I do decide to put a different color in, this is just going to mix. It's just going to mix in with the white, and it's just going to be the same color, basically. But yeah, that's all the parts that I have, and yeah, I cannot wait. Oh yeah, forgot the block. Let's have a look in this. I've noticed I'm not seeing any like nuts or anything like that, so hopefully this actually has some nuts and screws. Oh wow, look at that. We presented with a nice black box. Woohoo! Oh my god, it comes with a nice soft padding as well, which is very nice to keep everything nice and squidgy and soft and safe. Oh wow, look at this. You got a nice Allen key. You got a compound paste as well in there, which is pretty cool. Got an Allen key in there as well here. Allen key in there, as well as the paste for your CPU when you actually apply the sun. And then you got the screws, which attaches to the motherboard and basically holds the block onto the motherboard. Then yeah, this is the block right here. It looks so good. With the seal. Oh my goodness, wow. I've seen these kind of blocks on YouTube and pictures, but wow, never really thought it like this. This is nice. This is very, very nice. It's built really nicely as well. Wow. It's very good quality stuff, man. That looks so nice. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful, man. That is just absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait. Obviously, it's got the silver plate back at the back as well, which is very, very nice. Look at that reflection, bro. That looks so good. And then this, of course, RGB as well, because I like RGB. And yeah, everything has to be nice color. Wow, that looks so nice. And then yeah, you got your RGB header as well on there, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's really, really nice. I can't wait for my case to come so I can put all this together. Would have been putting it all together today because I got all the parts, but unfortunately everywhere is out of stock with my case that I'm trying to get. So yeah, I have to wait till my case comes so I can actually build this freaking PC. And yeah, I'm very, very excited. Very, very excited of everything that I have here. But yeah, guys, if you want to see the build, like I said, please let me know down in the comment section below, and I will build it together with you guys so you can watch me build it and probably make a meal out of it and probably just F it up, if that makes sense. But yeah, guys, anyway, that's everything I got to build it. If you want to see more of my videos, please don't forget to smack that like button. Also subscribe as well, turn on your post notifications so you never miss my videos. And yeah, I can't wait. Anyway, guys, tomorrow is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. I will be watching that. I cannot wait to make some videos on that. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.